access control can restrict features for up to 10 users. Users can only access the features that you select. They must log in each time they use the printer's control panel. You can also restrict printing and scanning from unauthorized computers. Enter your printer's IP address in a web browser to access the printer's web config page. Select the Product Security tab. Select Basic. Then select Enables Access Control. Select any other security features as necessary. If you select Allow printing and scanning without authentication information, users can print and scan from their computers without authentication. If you don't select this option, authentication will be required to print and scan from a computer, and you'll need to configure the printer and scanner drivers on each user's computer as shown later in this video. In the printer's web config page, select the Product Security tab, then select User Settings. Select Add next to any of the available user slots. Enter a username and password for the user. Check the boxes to enable those features for the user. When you're done, select Apply. Repeat this process for each user. If you will require printing and scanning authentication, you need to configure the printer and scanner drivers on each user's computer to allow printing or scanning. To configure the printer driver, open the printer's Printer Preferences menu. Select the Maintenance tab, then select Printer and Option Information. Select the Save Access Control Settings option and select Settings. Enter the user's username and password. Then click OK. Repeat this process for any additional users. If you will require scanning authentication based on your web config settings, you need to configure the scanner driver on each user's computer. To configure the scanner driver, launch the Epson Scan 2 utility. Select Access Control. Enter the user's username and password, and click OK. Repeat this process for any additional users.